I should have started the video like, hi, welcome back to my channel. But I don't have a handheld mirror. What do I have? I have my Conair. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Does it say that? Or does it say, hi, how are you? I don't know. I don't know. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing the Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. Am I centered? I have like the grid thing on. I'm centered. Okay, so I got the mini. I should have got the, what's it called, the premium? That's the middle one, right? The medium one? Yeah, so I got the mini just because I wasn't sure, because it was the summer collection. So I was like, is he gonna give us like the neon colors, like full on like yellow, green, blue, you know, summer colors? So I was a little scared, so I was like, let me just get the mini just because, you know, less risk, but also it's fun. And so I've been avoiding all the spoilers for this box, but I've seen the other ones and I was like, damn it, I should have gone at least the medium one, because people are saying that that one had more, you know, wearable colors from what I've seen for the most part. And this one I haven't seen yet. Like I said, I try to not see any spoilers, but whatever, we'll find out what it is right now. So this box ended up being $28 with everything, with like shipping and taxes and everything, but the box itself was $20. And last time I bought one lipstick, which was Weirdo, so the black lipstick. I bought this one, you know, and it's $18 on his online website, but with shipping and everything, and it ended up being like $25. So it was like, for the price that it is to buy one lipstick, I could get 3 mystery items. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this one for sure. But I also, when purchasing this, I forgot that he gives out the like PopSockets as one of the items. So I thought, it was like, oh my god, what a steal. I'm getting 3 lipsticks, because at this point I just thought they were all gonna be lipsticks. I was like, 3 lipsticks for $20, what a steal, oh my god, you know. And it's actually just gonna be like 2 items and the PopSocket, which is fine. It's still buying like 1 lipstick and getting another item for free, and getting the PopSocket for free. So either way, it's a steal. I think it's fine. I think it's cool. It's cool that it's a mystery box. Yeah, people like to be picky, like, oh, I wouldn't have bought this color, I didn't want this. Then you should just go on the website and buy the colors that you like, if that's the case. But I'm kind of free with whatever colors he wants to give us. Obviously I bought a black lipstick, so I don't really care what color I get. I just like to try out things, like different colors, different items. Yeah, so let's get in this. I have pre-sliced it. I haven't opened it yet though. But like I said, I've seen like other reviews, so I know like what the PopSockets look like. I've just been avoiding the mini. Okay, so opening it up, this one actually has green tissue paper. The other ones I've seen were like pink, you know? So this is green, or like yellow, orange? A different color, but I hadn't seen green tissue paper. So yeah, like I said, 2 liquid lipsticks and a PopSocket. So the first thing is a PopSocket. This one's actually orange. I've seen a majority of them being orange, but I saw one green one, and I was like, the green one looks so cool. But since I saw more orange, I figured I was gonna get the orange one, which is fine. Okay, so the first one, which one am I gonna pick? Okay, the pink one. Okay, so the first liquid lipstick is in this pink container. It's in the shade Diamond. Is that his puppy that just passed away? Is it Diamond? Was it Diamond? Was it? Yeah, right? I'm so sorry. I don't know which one it was, but I'm so sad. I have a dog too, and I would be so devastated if it passed away, especially his. He's had them for a long time. They're not even pets. They're like family members, you know? Okay, so anyways, shade is the color Diva. And from the top, it looks like a green. No, like a light blue. We'll see what color it is. So yeah, it is a light blue. Let me shake it up a little bit. Yeah, so it's this shade, light blue. But it kind of looks like purple too, like a light purple, like a periwinkle. Yeah, that would be the shade. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I mean, it's really pretty. Like I said, this is one of those crazy shades that a lot of people like to complain about getting. But it's a mystery box, you know, that's the fun of it. That's like, you don't know what you're getting. That's the whole point of it being a mystery, you know. I think the shade is cute. Will I use it as a lipstick? Maybe not, just because it is a little light for me. We'll find out, but I will most likely use this for like an eye look, because his lipsticks are eye safe. So either as an eyeliner or like as a base as a before eyeshadow for like a colorful look, I think this would be really nice. So this is the first item. So, well, the second item. The first one was the PopSocket. And these are $18. I don't know what collection. This could have been the family collection, right? Because he did that one with his partner, Nate. So that's always nice. So the next shade is in this nice, like, holiday. Is this holographic? Oh, it's really nice packaging. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So it's a red packaging. I think it's like holiday collection, and the color is self-control. See what the color looks like. Okay, so this is more of an actual purple color. Yeah, so this is what I would say is a purple compared to the other one. It's more like a blue. Yeah, so you could totally see the difference in the shades. Okay, so this is more of a purple color. Let me mix it up really quick. Yeah, so this lid is so beautiful. Like the red stars on the red lid, it looks so cute. Okay, yeah, so this is the color self-control. I'm gonna swatch it next to the blue shade. That's so cute. Yeah, like you could totally tell the difference. When I first saw the blue one, I'm sorry, I keep calling it blue. It's called Diamond. When I first saw the shade Diamond, I thought it was like, this kind of like a periwinkle. Like I see more purple in it. But after seeing Self-Control, you could totally tell which one is purple and which one is blue. But Self-Control looks like a gray blue, like a gray purple. It's so really nice. I feel like this is low-key kind of more wearable on top of like a lip liner or something. I think they're both really pretty shades. Obviously, they're a little bit out there, but it's Jeffree Star. What do you expect? Not everything you're going to get is going to be like nudes or wearable. So overall, I'm pretty excited. Still, for $20, it's like buying a lipstick and getting the other things for free. So I'm with it. I like it. I'm going to be using this mostly for, like I said, this one's going to be more eyeliner, eye base. This one, probably eyeliner as well. But I would definitely wear this more as a lip color. And I mean, these mystery boxes are always so much fun for like growing your collection. Well, I don't know if I said it. Last time, this is his third run and doing mystery boxes. The first one, I didn't get an order from because I didn't know about it till after. Like, how? I don't know. Everyone was talking about them. But I did get items from the Valentine's Day collection. The Valentine's Day mystery boxes. My boyfriend actually got it for me for Valentine's Day, so I was super excited. The only thing was that it was my Valentine's Day gift, so I had to wait until Valentine's Day to open it. So by that time, I was like avoiding spoilers to the max. But obviously, like, people post pictures and I can't avoid that. I could avoid like videos, but not pictures. But still, so these boxes are so good to grow your collection and start, like, you know, getting your Jeffree Star items. So this is the collection that I have so far. Yes, it's little, but it's okay. So like I said, I did get the mystery box for February. So that's where I got these items from. You see, like, these were more Valentine's Day colors. So I thought that was really nice. Like, it was in theme. Because they were like, they're pinky, purpley colors, you know. The one that I get the most use of is Jeffree Who. Like I said, it's a more nude color. Not nude because it's like a pink nude, but still. You know, these colors are super nice. I've worn this as eyeliner. Love it. I've even worn this lipstick on its own, you know, just for a quick going out. Nowhere serious, you know. But these is the items. These are the items that I received from the last mystery box. And then this lipstick is the one that I said I bought on my own. Well, my boyfriend bought it for me too. So all my Jeffree Star collection has been majority from my boyfriend. Okay, but yeah, besides that, these are for the first box from the Valentine's Day. These are, oh, this one to Valentine's Day, and then these two are from the summer mystery box, and this is on my own. So I think it's a really nice way to grow your collections. And like I said, you know, his brand is colorful. Jeffree is colorful. He is weird. You're gonna get weird colors, and that's fine. You can't go into a mystery box and expect to get 1, 2, and 3 shades that are your favorite. No, like, you're gonna get random colors. It's the mystery what you're gonna get. You either live with it or you don't. If you don't want to get mystery colors, if you want to know what you're getting, then buy it on your own, you know. So this is just for the fun of unboxing and be like, what is this, you know. And then plus you get a pop socket. Probably gonna pop this on my phone right now just because I really like this orange color and I feel it's more summery, so I'll probably do that. But yeah, so this is my unboxing. I'll probably try to insert some swatches of all of these lipsticks together on my arm. Not right now because I have somewhere to go. And let me see, which one should I try on? Should I try on the new one, the Self Control, that I said I think will look nice with like a lip liner under it? Let me see. Hopefully it looks nice. If not, it's fine, whatever. You see, like, they could be wearable too. You don't have to pile on the color in order to make it a little bit, you know, more wearable. Like, you see what I mean? It's not like a bright purple. It's more like a mauve purple kind of with this liner under. I think it looks cute. Like, this is wearable to me. Even though the color is a little bit crazy. It's like a purple crazy on the tube. It's like you don't have to layer on to get it to this color. You could get a little bit on top of some liner. And I think it's wearable and it's nice. It's pretty with a neutral look. You know, like I had right now because I didn't know what shades I was going to get. But I think it looks really nice. Like, this is wearable to me. I would be able to walk out the house with this lipstick and be like, yeah, I don't look like I'm wearing like crazy blue or purple lipstick. Like, it looks nice. It looks a little bit more muted. You know, just some options for people who did get these colors who are like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Eyeliner, eyeshadow base, lipstick. But you could just use a little bit. You don't have to pile it on and wear it as this color if this is not what you want. You know, just finesse it a little bit. You know, it's lipstick. It's not gonna kill you to, you know, try out different looks either. You know, if you just want to wear it, then wear it. That's cool too. That's what they're for. It's makeup. It's not too serious. You could do whatever with it. So yeah, guys. So that was my unboxing today for the Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box. Let me know what you guys received. If you guys received the same thing, like I said, I've been trying to avoid all the spoilers for the mini. So after this, I'm gonna go watch those videos that I've been avoiding just to see what other people got. If you guys got the same shades that as I did, or the same colored pop socket, because like I said, I saw majority orange ones and then I saw some green one, like one green one. I don't know how many people got that color though. But yeah, so let me know if you guys got the boxes, what you guys think about the items. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments. I am going to be uploading hopefully next week on Wednesday. I did take a break just because I was doing some studying. I will probably talk about that in one of the videos as well. But yeah, hopefully I'm going to be uploading more regularly. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.